Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we are continuing our alphabet adventure. Are you ready to learn the letters I to R? Let's jump right in. Here's I. I is for ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? Yum. Almost there. J is for juice. Can you pretend to drink juice? So refresh, but not least, K is for kite. Can you imagine flying a kite? Let's go fly one. Here comes L is for lion. Displays a roaring lion. Can you roar like a lion? Let's hear it. Roar. Perfect. Next, we have M is for monkey. Can you scratch your head like a monkey? Do it with me. Such fun. Now we're on to N. N is for nest. Can you pretend to be a bird in a nest? Flap your wings. Good job. Moving on, O is for octopus. Can you wiggle your arms like an octopus? Wiggle, wiggle. Next up is P. P is for penguin. Can you waddle like a penguin? Let's waddle together. Almost there. Q is for queen. Can you say, queen? What a wonderful word. And last but not least, R is for rainbow. Can you point to a rainbow? What colors do you see? So beautiful. Thanks for joining me to learn the letters I to R today. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting alphabet adventures. What letter do you want to learn next? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep shining bright like a rainbow. Bye.